The tool you'll need is a plastic pry tool. The first step is to use the pry tool to pry the plastic protective piece that protects the connection. Use some force to pry the plastic, then move it to the side to expose the old bulb. Careful, it can be hot, so wear some gloves if it was on. Pull the bulb out by pinching it. Now install your new ALA LED back into the housing connector and it will turn on once it has metal-to-metal contact. Now that it's back into place, replace the plastic back into its tab and click it into place. Now it's installed. Look at the difference between the two. Even in broad daylight you can see the cleaner difference. Now we have both installed. It gives the Sienna an even more cleaner, crisp look. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again here in ALA Lighting.